Hey folks, welcome back to the channel, where today we will discuss the best bidet for toilets on the market. Without further ado, let's get started. Oh, and by the way, links to all the featured products are given in the description below. Our pick for best overall is the Bio Bidet BB-600. Get clean without toilet paper employing this Bio Bidet Ultimate Elongated Electric Bidet Seat. The heated seat gives multiple temperature settings for optimal convenience, which is ideal for avoiding the shock of a cold seat on frosty days. The built-in motor operates quietly for discreet use, and the cover closes softly so you won't wake the family during a midnight run. An intelligent sensor detects when someone is present and limits the nozzle from spraying when the toilet is not being used. Highlighting a dual nozzle system, this Bio Bidet electric bidet seat gives both posterior and feminine cleansing. The combined heated reservoir guarantees consistent temperatures and constant water pressure, so you never get a shocking burst of cold water. Use the auto mode to clean off after you're finished, or turn on the massage or oscillating modes for a more thorough cleaning. A combined warm air dryer immediately dries you off after utilizing the nozzle, so you can feel fresh and clean without using toilet paper. The self-cleaning nozzle makes cleaning easy and helps keep your bathroom friendly and hygienic. This Bio Bidet Ultimate Elongated Electric Bidet Seat has a quick-release trait that disengages the main body so you can swiftly wipe the interior clean. Up next is our pick for best attachment, and that goes to the Tushy Classic 3.0. If you're not entirely convinced you're ready to spend in a full bidet seat, consider a bidet attachment. The Tushy places under your seat in less than 10 minutes. It operates with all conventional toilets and most skirted toilets. It has a single self-cleaning nozzle. You manage the pressure and angle through a knob and switch on the side. We like that both are antimicrobial. It's totally non-electric and doesn't even require batteries, just a water connection. Note that it's only for posterior cleaning, not feminine cleansing. You can feel extra good about purchasing a Tushy, as for every unit sold, the company helps create clean toilets for the poor in both urban and rural areas. Even if you're not satisfied with anxiety about possibly rationing your toilet paper use, this bidet seems like the future. It's simple to use, relatively easy to install, and something that we can see ourselves using for years and years to come. Also, we're pretty stoked about the design, which is exceptionally minimalistic chic, meaning it doesn't instantly catch your attention when you walk in. Oh, again, if you're loving what you're seeing, a sub to the channel would be superb. And back to the video. Up next is our pick for best budget, and that goes to the Kohler Pure Tide. If you're on a budget, a non-electric seat like this one of Kohler is your safest bet. It doesn't even need a battery. We love that it's super simple to install, and with its soft curves, the soft closed seat looks modern in your bathroom. It has a single self-rinsing wand that sprinkles room temperature water. You can manage the pressure and adjust the position through a lever on the side of the seat. With a quiet close cover and self-cleaning wand, this bidet is increasingly popular for numerous homes. This model comes provided with a single wand for washing, and you can even modify the pressure and spray position for preference and comfort. This seat is effortless to install, and the design is elegant to match virtually any toilet or bathroom design. All you need to install the bidet seat are just some tools that most everyone has in their home. Within a few hours, you could be enjoying your bidet seat and feeling clean. For convenience and cleanliness on your own time, this manual bidet is an ideal choice. Next is our pick for best for seniors, and that goes to the Alpha JX. Bidets are a soft and hygienic solution for elders who may not be as nimble as they once were. This elongated bidet set of Alpha has front and back aluminum nozzles to give a thorough cleaning. The seat comes with a remote control that highlights the modern settings, so there are no shocks, or users can opt for the one-touch easy wash. Its built-in tankless water heating system utilizes 40% less water than other bidet toilet seats. And it also has a motion sensor that automatically turns on the LED light to illuminate the surrounding area, making nighttime walks to the toilet safe. The cleaning is super quiet, as is the soft close lid. It is created around an energy-saving tankless water heating system. This instantaneous heater produces endless, on-demand warm water with little to no startup lag. During the wash, an air pump mixes bubbles into the wash stream to present a more soothing feeling and uses up to 40% less water related to tank-type bidets. Beyond that, the company designed the Alpha JX to be whisper quiet during operation. No more loud motor and pump noises. Last on our list is our pick for best width dryer, and that goes to the Toto SW2034 number 1. Dryers on bidet seats pose a distinct problem. You require them to be powerful enough to get the job done, but not so strong the airflow really splashes the toilet water. The Toto C100 has 3 speeds that all land in the sweet spot of being active without being too aggressive. In extension, the seat has 3 warming temperatures, and the tank style preheats sufficient water for up to 45-second cleaning. Other specialties include a rear and a front spray with self-cleaning nozzles, a side control panel that recalls personalized settings, and a deodorizer. The washlet C100 is entirely automated, highlighting a soft rear spray, rear cleanse, and front cleanses with the choice of an oscillating stream. The controls are placed on a comfortable arm control panel. The wand is self-cleaning, automatically washing before and after every use. The washlet highlights a heated soft close seat with 3 temperature settings. The temperature and pressure of the water are adaptable with 3 temperature settings and 5 pressure settings. It emphasizes an air deodorizer and a warm air dryer with 3 temperature settings.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our new latest uploads.